In this lesson, we're going to start working with the cart total items endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this endpoint. And you can see that it's just a GET request, and it will take the user ID and returns the total number of items in the shopping cart. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. We will simply switch back to the Visual Studio. And let's copy this get cart subtotal method and paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to get total cart items. Now you need to copy the URL of your EP endpoint and then paste it here. Now if you go to the Postman, then here you can see that this request will just return the total number of items in a shopping cart. Instead of passing the cart subtotal class here, let's pass the total cart item class here. Make the return type of this method to task of total cart item. Alright, so that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.